Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and delete your Patreon account from your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want you to understand that you can do this from both your Android or iOS devices. So, simply go ahead and open your Patreon application that you've downloaded and installed onto your device. Once you've done that, on the top right hand side of your screen, there's going to be your account icon. Simply go ahead and tap on that and click on settings. Once you've done that, all you need to do is scroll all the way down until you see this delete account tab right over here. And once you've done that, simply it's going to go ahead and load up a web page. Now, all you need to do is simply scroll all the way down, go ahead and click on erase. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and verify your email. And once you've verified it, they're going to let you to go ahead and delete your account. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see